Take a ride in 2021 Genesis G70. Impressive engine performance and exquisite handling push the Genesis G70 to the front of the pack. Fully integrated technology, off-the-chart safety features, and the luxurious interior and exterior styling of this vehicle all distinguish this vehicle from the rest. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.